folks, this is Shippy the Explorer coming to you from comfortable Maryland, and bringing you a lovely, another dramatic tape and that you may have experienced or not in another parts of your area. So this is how they remove a tree and crush it. Removal. she goes, folks. In a split second, we'll cut. Process is repeated. Certified abortionist, abortus. Process is repeated until trees all gone. This is Shippy the Explorer saying this is how you remove a tree in America, folks. Fast and furious. Hi, how are you?
How you doing?
All right. Good, good. Taping these. Huh?
Making movies?
Oh, yeah. They'll be all over the world.
Uh-huh.
They'll be all over the world. I'm YouTuber.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
They did a good job. It looks good.
Oh, they're just trimming it up, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Wow. I can tape you if you don't mind, if you don't scared, but
Don't bother me.
it will be on the world. It's Shippy the Explorer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this is our neighbor. He's observing just like me.
Yeah,
So-
did a real good job on it.
Yeah. I tell you. This your guy's gonna be on YouTube. Shippy the Explorer. So they just trimmed up, huh?
That's what it looks like.
Yes, I don't think they're taking down
They
everything.
cut down a couple, but they were small.
Yeah. Oh, good. All right. Yeah, you watch her. Yeah.
Yeah. Have a good one.
All right. Okay. So that's how it's done. Fast and furious. Tree removal in America. That's the beauty about the American equipment. Or German too, or some other parts of the world, but a lot of times I just appreciate these big machines. I have done some of these, and actually you can rent these things. That's the beauty about this country. You can actually rent these crushers. I've rented one myself, and I've had it for 2 days. I remove, crush a number of trees, or grind up a number of trees. It's called grinding. So this is shine, SHY, the trees part of the wording, and TREE, and US dot is their license number. So they are certified arborists. A lot of parts in this country, you cannot remove trees without getting proper authorized permission to remove them, because we're trying to encourage people to have lots of trees around the property, so that the air, the oxygen that the trees produce will keep the environment refreshed. So that's another part of this operation. So that's how it's done, folks. I'm thinking about some of mine, but and even if they didn't remove these by hand, the branches from the back and by hand, they sometimes would have a crane that would lift these parts from way in the back and just bring it over in the front of the property along the road, and just grind it to bits. So these are big equipment, and they do the job. So this is Shippy the Explorer telling you that it's part of this system of tree removal, fast and furious in America.
Move away from the equipment. You know you have a material that needs to be removed, and you know that it's a sense of relief when you have gotten the job done. Tree removal brought to you by
Shippy the Explorer, folks. Well, that's a short clip, dramatic, but hope you have enjoyed that. And if you're in the area, we are advertising also the company. You give them a call and get clearance from your neighborhood authority, and you can get your tree removed in matter of hours, folks. This is Shippy the Explorer bringing you another experience as we explore together. Bye for now. Hope you enjoy this, and if you like what you have seen, do share, like, and press the subscription button, folks, because it is free, and it allows us to bring you another tape or video in the near future. Bye for now.
So they come in, they cut, and they trim, and they blow, and they clean up as they get out of this space. In a matter of minutes, it is done.
As I leave the guys to work, I would say that they have done a remarkable job. And that's it, folks. Fast and Furious tree removal, bringing you the experience is Chippy the Explorer.
There he goes, the engine is revving down. And that's the end of another good job
By another team of tree removers. Bye, folks. Talk to you soon.